Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chisom Wanganga. So today's tutorial we'll be making this beautiful trending headband. So stay tuned and keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, this is very easy. Like, this braided headband is so easy. So you're starting with the length, and the length is going to be 29 inches depending on how loose you want it to be. So make sure to measure your head or the circumference of your head to know how tight or how loose you want yours to be, and the width is 4 inches depending on how wide you want yours to be too. So you can either make this with a sewing machine or you can make use of a hand needle depending on what is available for you. So guys, have a great time and have fun making this, and this accessory can go with anything. It can just bring out the life of your dressing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's keep making this, and don't forget to subscribe. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get this channel to 1K subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, if you're lazy to make this for yourself, I also make it for sale. So you can send me an email or you can send me a DM on my Instagram account, and the link to my email address and my Instagram account, they are all in the description box, so feel free to check it out. So guys, we are done cutting it right now. So we make 3 different parts. So there's the first one and the second one, and there's a third one also. So they are all measuring 29 inches and 4 inches the width. So now you're just going to turn it to the wrong side and make a straight stitch. Then after that, you turn it to the right side. That's all. Very easy. So guys, we are making use of this foam, like 1-inch foam. They sell it in the market. All these people that sell foams, like I got it for like, I think I got a yard for like 8,500 or yeah, 8,500. Is so easy, like it's very cheap. Or you can make use of a fiber. So I just wanted to use a foam, and I'm done sewing it, as you can see. So I'm about to turn it to the right side now. So guys, the foam is measuring the same length with the material, but the width is different. We are using 2.5 inches because I really wanted it to fit perfectly well. So 2.5 inches, that's what the foam is measuring. So guys, using an office pin, you just take your time to do this part, like, because you don't want the foam to divide. So take your time using an office pin and pass it through the material, and there you have it. After that, I'm going to use a sewing needle and thread, a hand needle and thread to hold it in place, just like what I'm doing right now. And after that, I give someone to help me hold so I can braid it. And there you have it. It's so easy, so easy. So take your time to just braid it, make it look smooth, make it look nice. This material I was working with is a velvet material. It was actually hard to work with, but I appreciated the final look it gave, so it was nice. So guys, we are done with that. So now we're going to be adding the both ends together. So we're just going to be using a hand needle to add the both ends together. So guys, the rest of the video is quite very self-explanatory. Just look closely at what I'm doing and I know you'll get the hang of it. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the bell like icon so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And if you feel lazy to make this for yourself, it's also made for sale in different colors, different sizes, and we ship worldwide. So feel free to send us a DM in my Instagram account or an email, and all the link will be in my description box below. And don't forget to leave a comment and also a thumbs up. Love you guys, stay blessed and stay safe. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.